Assalamu alaikum grade 6. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Okay students, so today we are going to start your grammar skill. As you know that in previous grammar lecture you have understood a concept of quantifiers. So now today we are going to solve exercise. Okay students, so first of all you have to open your page number 5. Okay students, so as you know that quantifiers are words used to tell about the number or amount when the exact amount is not known or not specific. Quantifiers जो words हैं वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं किसी चीज़ की अमाउंट या नंबर के बारे में बताने के लिए, जब किसी चीज़ की अमाउंट एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट जो है उसका पता नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जांपल सम, फ्यू, any, every, many, most, each, several, a little, more, plenty and no. These are what? Quantifiers. Okay students, so come to exercise A. Imagine you live in an isolated place. Your food supplies are running very low. You are recording the provisions you have left. Choose the correct quantifiers to complete the sentences in your record below. अब क्या है यहाँ पर कि इमेजिन करना है, आप एक अलग जगह पर हैं, ठीक है. आपका जितना भी फूड आइटम्स हैं, ठीक है, आपका फूड स्टॉक है वो कम हो रहा है और जो चीज़ें लेफ़्ट हैं मतलब पीछे रह गई हैं, जितना फूड स्टॉक पीछे रह गया है उसको आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. और आपने अब क्या करना है, उस रिकॉर्ड को कंप्लीट करने के लिए सेंटेंसेस जो हैं नीचे उन सबको कंप्लीट करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज़ वी हैव डैश ऑरेंजेस एंड एप्पल्स. एज यू नो दैट इन ब्रैकेट्स टू ऑप्शंस आर, वन is a few and second is a little. So what we will choose? A few. Okay students, we will choose a few. We have a few oranges and apples. That's good. Okay students, second one is we have dash cheese. So in bracket two options are, one is any and second is some. So what we will add? Some. We have some cheese but we do not have dashed jam or bread left. So here are two options, one is plenty and second is much. So what you will choose? Much. So you will write that, but we do not have much jam or bread left. That's good. Okay students, so third one is we also have dash carrots and potatoes and options are any or some. So you will choose some. It will become we also have some carrots and potatoes. Next, fourth one is there's only dash sugar and tea left, not much. And options are some or a little. So you will add a little. There's only a little sugar and tea left, not much. Number 5 is we don't have dash water either. And options are some or much. And you will choose much. We don't have much water either. Next, sixth one is I think we have dash milk than orange juice. And options are much and more. And you will choose more. I think we have more milk than orange juice. Seventh one is we don't have dash chocolates bars left. And options are some and any. So you will add any. We don't have any chocolate bars left. Next, eighth one is we ate dash of the chocolate bars yesterday. Options are all or many. And you will choose all. We ate all of the chocolates bars yesterday. Ninth one is fortunately we still have dash biscuits. And options are many and some. Fortunately, we still have many biscuits. Next is, we have dash packets of instant noodles, and options are several or much, and you will add several. We have several packets of instant noodles and dash of instant soup too, and options are plenty or much, and you will add plenty of instant soup too. Okay students, so these were some words which you have to add according to low food supplies. Okay students, so now we are moving to next page, page number 6. As you know that to talk about things singly or individually, you use each. जब आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में, सिंगल चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, या इंडिविजुअली मतलब अलग अलग किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, आप कौन सा वर्ड, कौन सा क्वांटिफायर यूज़ करते हैं? ईच. बट टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स टुगेदर, लेकिन अगर इकट्ठी चीज़ों के बारे में बात की जाए और एज अ ग्रुप या ग्रुप की सूरत में, यू यूज़ एवरी और ऑल. तो आप कौन से क्वांटिफायर यूज़ करते हैं? एवरी और all. For example, each child prepared a different act for the concert. Each child मतलब हर individually, अब यहाँ पर हम बात करें individually के हर अलग-अलग हर बच्चे ने जो है वो different act prepare किया है concert के लिए. And second sentence is every child performed in the concert. और हर बच्चे ने जो है, अब यहाँ पर बात हो रही है together हर बच्चे की, तो यहाँ पर that's why we are adding every. Next point is a plural verb is used with all. For example, all roads are under repair. अगर quantifier all है, plural verb उसके साथ use होगा, और अगर जो quantifier single है तो उसके साथ singular verb use होगा. A singular verb is used with each and every. For example, every each road is under repair. In this sentence, is used because every and each are single. You can use all but not every with uncountable nouns. For example, Jane likes all music. Okay students, now we are moving to exercise B. Choose the correct quantifiers to fill in each blank in these sentences about preparing for an art exhibition. अब आपने क्या करना है? करेक्ट क्वांटिफायर को चूज़ करना है और उसको फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में फिल करना है. और अबाउट, अब ये सेंटेंसेस किस चीज़ के बारे में है? एक आर्ट एग्जीबिशन की प्रिपरेशन के बारे में है, उसकी प्रिपेयरिंग हो रही है. फर्स्ट वन इज कम ऑन everyone, we don't have dash time, and options are much, little, many and few, and you will choose A1 option, that is much. Come on everyone, we don't have much time. Second one is let dash of us try to help each other, and options are every, another, all and any, and you will choose C1 all. Let all of us try to help each other. That's good. Okay students, third one is there are very dash students who are willing to help. बहुत कम students हैं, there are very dash students, so what, and options are few, little, a few and plenty, and you will choose A1 option, few. There are very few students who are willing to help. Next, fourth one is we have dash work to do before the art room is ready, and options are a lot of, any, all and many, and you will choose a lot of. For example, we have a lot of work to do before the art room is ready. Next one is there are dash art pieces to display than we had last year, and options are many, more, most and few, and you will choose B1 option, that is more. There are more art pieces to display than we had last year. Next, sixth one is I expect dash students to do their best to make this art show a success, and options are any, every, plenty of and all, and you will choose D1 option, that is all. I expect all students to do their best to make this art show a success. Seventh one is In the past, students have shown dash interest in exhibiting their work, and options are little, any, many, or several, and you will choose A1 option, that is little. In the past, students have shown little interest in exhibiting their work. 8th one is this year the students have been dash enthusiastic, and options are plenty, much, few, and most. Enthusiastic means purjosh hona, passionate hona, and you will choose D1 option, that is most. This year the students have been most enthusiastic. Okay students, so moving to next page, page number 7, and 9th one is now we have very little space to hang the art pieces, and options are a lot of, all, a few, and every, and you will choose B1 option, that is all. Now we have very little space to hang all the art pieces. Next, 10th one is I hope we have dash visitors to the art show this time, and options are few, much, little, and many, and you will choose D1 option, that is many. I hope we have many visitors to the art show this time. Okay students, so this exercise B has been done. Now next point we will discuss that, as you know that either and neither are usually used with singular verbs. You use either when you speak about one or the other. आप either और neither words जो हैं आप यूज़ करते हैं जब आप singular verbs की बात कर रहे हो, आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में कह रहे हो, एक या फिर दूसरी. You use neither when you mean not one or the other. To talk about two things together, you use both. जब आप दो चीज़ों की बात करते हैं तो आप कहते हैं both. For example, both the cat and the dog belong to James. You use a plural verb with both. Next point is you usually use another with singular countable nouns. आप singular countable nouns के साथ क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Another मतलब कोई दूसरी चीज़. For example, shall I pass you another slice of cake? Another is also used before the word few or with numbers. For example, give me another few minutes, give me another 3 minutes. Another जो है वो एक word few के साथ भी use किया जा सकता है numbers में. For example, give me another few minutes and give me another 3 minutes. Okay students, moving to exercise C. Complete the following dialogue using both, either, neither or other. अब क्या करना है, ये जो नीचे एक डायलॉग है इसमें आपने ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है 4 वर्ड यूज़ करके. 1 is both, either, neither or another. So let's start. Mother. Jane, I asked you to clean your bedroom and bath the dog. You have done. So what you will add here? Neither means not this and not this. Okay students? Means not one not the other. Neither tasks you have, now you have time to do only one of them. So which will it be? Jane, sorry mom, I don't mind. Either one. So what you will add here? Either. I don't mind either one. I was doing my homework. Please give me. What you will add here? Another. Please give me another few minutes and I will try to do both tasks. Yes. You will add both here. Mother, you should have told me you were busy. Either James. You will add here either. Either James or John could have bathed the dog, and neither has any homework today. Neither, you will add neither here. Jane, if either one of them can do it for me today, you will add here either. If either one of them can do it for me today, I will do the same for him another day. And you will add here another. In the another day when he has lots of homework. Mother, I will call both of them. You will add both here. I will call both of them in to see who will volunteer. You can clean your room another day instead. You will add another day. So this dialogue is completed now. Okay students, so moving to page number 8. Exercise D is read the passage below and circle 8 quantifiers. Then underline the verbs and write S above the verb if it is used in the singular, and write P above it if it is used in the plural. The first one is done for you. Okay students, so now what you have to do, in front of you a passage is and you have to circle 8 quantifiers. आप लोगों ने 8 quantifiers को circle करना है और इसमें कुछ verbs भी हैं. अगर कोई verb जो है वो singular है तो आपने उसको underline करके उसके ऊपर लिखना है S, और अगर कोई verb plural है तो आपने उसको underline करके उसके ऊपर लिखना है P. So let's start. First line is, sometimes it seems as if every road. So every is what? Quantified. So circle it. Every road in my area is under repair. Is what? Verb. So it is underlined and in front upper इसके ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है? S. It means कि is क्या है? Singular है. Under repair each day. Each भी क्या है? Singular. एंड अंडरलाइन सर्कल इट. आपने इस ईच को क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. नेक्स्ट लाइन है ब्रिंग्स विद अ न्यू डिटोर. स्टूडेंट्स, सो अंडरलाइन ब्रिंग्स बिकॉज ब्रिंग्स इज अ वर्ब एंड इसके ऊपर आप लोगों ने लिखना है एस क्योंकि ये सिंगुलर है. विद इट अ न्यू डिटोर इन्फेक्ट बोथ रोड्स. सर्कल बोथ. बोथ क्या है? क्वांटिफायर. सो यू विल सर्कल इट. बोथ रोड्स लीडिंग टू माई हाउस आर. अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड आर एंड इसके ऊपर क्या लिखना है? पी. इट मीन्स कि ये क्या है? प्लूरल है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट लाइन इज currently having traffic lights installed and I have been told that another few. So students, another few क्या है? Quantifier. So please circle it. Next line is roads close by are. Underline this word are और उसके ऊपर अपने लिखना है P because it is plural. To be resurfaced to, it seems that every person in the area. Circle every because this is a quantifier. Okay students, so next line is has been inconvenienced. So please underline has because it is singular. Next, however, both guards at the bank in the locality, and circle both because it is a quantifier. Okay student, next line is say that all. Say, underline the word say because it is a plural. So you will add P. इसके ऊपर आप P add करोगे. That all traffic lights and circle all because it is a quantifier. Traffic lights are. Underline this word are. इसके ऊपर आप लिखेंगे P because ये plural है. Going to be operational in a day or two. I am. Next line is happy to say that all. And circle this word all because it is a quantified. Traffic is. Underline this word is and it is singular. So you will add S here. Now to be diverted back to the main road. Okay students, now we are moving to next page, page number 9. And as you know that uncountable nouns are not used with the indefinite articles A और N. A और N के साथ कभी भी uncountable nouns का use नहीं होता. They may be preceded by a quantifier such as. अब इनके साथ कौन से quantifiers का use किया जाता है? Some, any, no और a little. Quantifiers may consist of more than one word. Quantifiers में एक से ज़्यादा word भी use किया जा सकता है. As in please pass me a glass of water. अब इस सेंटेंस में क्या है? a glass of. ये तीनों quantifiers हैं. Okay students, now moving to exercise E. Complete the recount below. Use suitable quantifiers from the box. In front of you a box is and here are some quantifiers and you have to choose all the quantifiers and you have to add in suitable blanks. So let's start. My mother had a disastrous day yesterday while taking a shower. She slipped on. What we will add here? A cake of soap. Yes. which caused her shampoo bottle to fly out of her hand. It hit the window and cracked. So what we'll add here? A pane of glass. Cracked a pane of glass. She applied, what we will add here? Some. Yes, that's good. She applied some ointment on her injured leg and limped painfully downstairs for breakfast. The other members of the family had already eaten, and all that was left comprised, what we will add here? A little jam and a slice of bread. You will add a slice of here. There was dash cereal. So what we will add here? No. There was no cereal or butter, although there were, what we will add here? A few drops of juice in the carton and about a cup of, yes, a cup of milk and a few grain of sugar at the bottom of the sugar bowl. Next paragraph is, feeling very hungry, my mother dressed to go shopping, but then remembered she did not have dash money. It means you will add here much money, just a few dollars. However, this was enough to buy a few items she needed for the morning. So she took a piece of paper, yes, and wrote a shopping list. I can buy a packet of biscuits for morning tea, a bag of sugar and a block of butter. She thought, I'll do more shopping this evening with the family. We can have dinner at our restaurants afterwards. Okay students, so this exercise is completed and this was your today's lesson, and now you can solve all the exercise easily. Okay students, take care yourself.